In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play EFC26 on PC using PS5 controller. It's actually really simple. Let me show you how it works. I have already connected my PS5 controller to FC26, and as you can see, when I press any button on my controller, it's working perfectly. Now to make sure it works for you too, just connect your PS5 controller to your PC using a USB cable. If you try connecting it wirelessly, sometimes it can cause issues or delay in input, so wired connection is always better. If you are playing through Steam, there is one more small step you'll need to do. Go to your Steam library and find EFC26, right click on the game or click the little settings icon next to it, then select properties. On the left side, click on the controller tab and here make sure to choose the option disable Steam input. After that, close the window and launch the game again. If it still doesn't work properly, you can try opening Steam's big picture mode and then launch the game from there. That usually fixes the issue completely. Hopefully this helps you get your PS5 controller working with FC26. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.